Good morning children, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our online class. We are doing revision for our final exams, Essay 2, which are starting from Monday. Hope you will do the revision of 9th lesson. What was that? Milk production. Our government treats producing milk as an industry. We get milk from the cattle, isn't it? From cow, buffalo. What happens after that? It is chlorinated, cleaned and made it pure. See the graph. The maximum cow gives a milk, then buffalo, very small amount, donkey, camel, goat and sheep milk we drink. From which animals we get maximum milk production? Name the areas where people use camel milk. Have you ever seen people taking donkey's milk? Why was it preferred? Generally farmers rear 1 to 5 cattle in small scale at their homes to produce milk. They supply fodder from the agricultural fields only. Now see the graph, the types of fodder, milk production. Highest is in Israel, then in USA. Then comes Japan. India is very last. Among cows, traditional species give 2 to 5 liters of milk per day. Mora species are reared in most of the districts in our state. They give us 8 liters of milk per day. Haryana, Jafarabad, Nagpuri are the traditional varieties of cows in our country, which have good quality of milk. Jersey, England and Holstein, Denmark are foreign varieties. They give 25 liters of milk per day. These foreign varieties are crossbred with our native or local varieties, which gives us 8 to 20 liters of milk per day. Cows play a vital role in total milk production of our country. Out of milk produced in our country, 60% is used to prepare cheese, kova, ghee, curd and milk products. There are many of the dairy farms in the state. The milk in dairy farm is collected from households and pasteurized. Milk is preserved in milk pockets, isn't it, and transported. You might have studied about HTST method in the story of microorganisms in the second lesson. What is pasteurization, children? Vat pasteurization is a process of destructing diseases causing microorganisms by boiling the milk at 63 degrees centigrade or 145 degrees Fahrenheit for a period of 30 minutes, half an hour. After that, it is immediately cooled to below 10 degrees and stored. This process is called milk chilling centers. Is there a milk collecting center in your village? Now these are the private and government milk collecting and chilling centers in our state. See the diagram, chilling center. Uttar Pradesh is the highest milk producing state in India. Our state is taking so many steps to produce milk in higher quantities. Do you think in which month the rate of milk production is high? See it according to the graph. It shows November. Month-wise milk production and the months January, February. The graph is done. Milk production is higher particularly in some months compared with the remaining months. Let us observe the graph showing milk production state. NECC means what? National Egg Coordination Committee. If you want to be a healthy person, eat egg every day. This is the slogan of National Egg Coordination Committee. Egg is a good nutritious food and is easily available for all. It is proteinaceous, complete food, egg and milk. Apiculture. Culture of honeybees, apis, is called apiculture. It can come as definition. It is most beneficial and eco-friendly activity. Development of apiculture is not only for honey production but also very much useful for crop pollination. Honeybees are best pollinators of many agricultural crops. It was during 19th century that beekeeping as a result of scientific research became a commercial activity. Honeybee species are social insects like ants which lives in colonies. A honeybee colony consists of 3 types of bees. One queen, several thousands of workers, nectar, pollen and water. Drones are the male members of the colony. They are very lazy and unable to gather food. Their main duty is participating in mating. Mating takes place in open air wherein the queen is in flight. The drone dies during the act or immediately as the abdomen bursts open during this process. Sources of nectar. Where do we get nectar from? Most of the nectar we get from the flowers, isn't it? Plants which contain nectar and pollen liked by bees are called bee flora. The following are some of the more important plants, either wild or cultivated. Fruit trees like citrus, apple, guava, tamarind, cultivated field crops like mustard, gingerly, wheat, cotton, sunflower, vegetable plants like beans, lady's finger, brinjal, timber yielding trees like acacia, neem, sal, bushes, shrubs, and natural and ornamental flower plants are all sources of nectar. The bees of a colony sometimes rob another colony, especially during drought period. Honeybee species are social insects like ants, which lives in a colony. A honeybee colony consists of 3 types of bees, one queen, several thousands of workers, and a few hundreds of drones. 3 different types of bees are there. There is one queen bee in colony. The primary function of a queen is to lay eggs, 800 to 1200 eggs per day. The lifespan of a queen is 2 to 3 years. A worker has 5 to 6 weeks, and drones live only for 57 days. They are sterile females which are called workers in the hive. These bees attend to indoor duties during the first 3 weeks of their lives, such as secretion of royal jelly, feeding of brood. After 3 weeks, they attend outdoor duties like collecting neem, sal, bushes, shrubs, and natural and ornamental flower plants are all sources of nectar. The bees of a colony sometimes rob another colony, especially during this period. Now the homework for today, note down children. Make a list of characteristics of local variety of buffaloes which give good quantity of milk in your village. Next question, explain the process of hatching egg under broody hens in rural areas. Write about the accessories products produced in animal husbandry. What is estuaries? How are they suitable for both marine and river fishes to live? If you have a chance to visit Milk Chilling Center, what doubts would you like to clarify and list them out? Okay, collect news from newspaper about milk production and impurities in milk. You can prepare a note and display it on wall magazine. Send me their homeworks by evening and start studying well for final exams which are from first. First exam is maths. Everyone remember that, isn't it? Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. See you in next class.